You think being nice makes you attractive. You think it shows respect, effort, and good intentions. But in modern dating, being too nice doesn't make you desirable. It makes you invisible. And that's exactly why she doesn't want you. Not because you're a bad man, but because there is nothing about you that creates tension. You're just another boring dude in her DMs. Who wants that? You agree with everything she says, you avoid any kind of disagreement, you try to keep things smooth, comfortable, and easy. You adjust yourself constantly just to make sure she likes you. And in your mind, you're doing everything right. But what you're actually doing is removing every single reason for her to feel anything for you. She feels nothing. She is bored of you already. And today we are gonna talk about how to stop being a nice guy. It's time to stop it today. Being nice is not a strategy, it's a safety mechanism. You're not losing because you're a good guy, you're losing because you are predictable. And that's the problem with the modern dating. Everyone is exactly the same. Everyone texts the exact same things online. Everyone DMs the exact same messages all the fucking time. And that's boring. Every woman, even a basic 5 or a 6, gets the exact same messages as a 10. That's the modern dating. And that's the problem nowadays. Because if that's how you act, then there is nothing interesting about you. There is no point for her to meet you outside in the real world and have some fun, date a little bit, and we see where this goes to. Attraction doesn't grow in comfort. It grows in contrast, in tension, in moments where something feels slightly uncertain. Women love that. They love uncertainty. They love mystery. Be that guy. And when you remove all of that, when everything you say is safe, everything you do is expected, you become easy to understand and even easier to ignore. Simple as that. When you realize that, you will change your life once and for all. Don't be the man that she ignores once again. Be the man she chooses and she wants to have fun with. She wants to meet you. You want to meet her. You want to go out and have some fun together. You're not being chosen because there is nothing to react to. You don't create attraction by being agreeable. Create it by being felt different. From nice to respected. The goal is not to become arrogant. The goal is not to become aggressive. The goal is to stop needing approval once and for all. The moment you start needing to be liked, you lose control of the interaction. Simple as that. Respect is built when you hold your position. Attraction follows when you don't compromise it. You have to always remember that. You cannot compromise all the time for any woman that you talk to. You have to be unique. Of course, there's gonna be a person that's gonna make you change a little bit and you're gonna play. That's normal, but you cannot compromise it. Change your schedule every single time you talk to someone. Stop it. Stop agreeing automatically. Agreement should be real, not a tool to be accepted. If you agree with everything she says, everything she does, you remove your identity from the interaction. And there is not a single woman outside there that she will accept this and say, oh, I love this man. Because this man has nothing interesting, has nothing to offer. There is no value here to make her interact with you, to make her meet you. You cannot constantly change your schedule for everything she says, everything she does, and you are always there for her. There is no reason to be always there for her. It should be the exact opposite. You should be there for her only when she does something good for you. You should only give approval only if she's interesting for you, not the opposite. You should decide if you like her. You should decide if you want to meet her outside in the real world, not her. She has hundreds of DMs every single day or every single week. You cannot be another DM in her messages. If, let's say, for example, you ask her, would you like to go out for a coffee next week, Monday, around 7 o'clock in the evening, and says, no, I have school, you can offer another day. Let's say, what about Friday, but I can do only between 8 and 10 in evening. What do you think about that? Let's go to a restaurant and have some fun together with a glass of wine. If she says again, for example, no, I'm not that interested because I'm gonna meet my friends, then you stop it. There is no reason to text again. It's done. That's a woman that doesn't offer anything to you. What's fun about that? If someone is rejecting you all the time, what's the point of meeting her outside? What's the point of being consistent with someone that doesn't really want you? And I'll tell you what, if you stop texting her, if you stop giving her attention, that's when you're interesting. I know it sounds crazy for you because we men, we don't think like that. But women think exactly like that. When someone leaves, disappears, that's when she's thinking, oh, What's happening? Did she find someone else? That's exactly when the magic actually happens. Not when you're there for her every single day, every single hour. Every time she texts you, you reply in 5 minutes. No, stop it. Stop this. You cannot do this every single time. You can do it at the beginning, but then when you see that it starts being distant, you should reflect your behavior. You should be more distant. You should play the game because women want to play games. That's all they want to do. Play games. Have some fun. And then, if you're interesting, if you actually have value inside of you, you will get more things from her. I promise you that. 100%. Say what you actually think. Not louder, not aggressively, but clearly and without hesitation. Don't be hesitant of saying things that you actually believe. Clarity creates presence. Presence creates attraction. Like we talked in previous videos, you have to be clear with her what you want, what you expect from her, and what makes you actually being interested in her. If she doesn't do these things, then there is no point to continue spending your energy with this person because this person is simply not interested in you. And you should move forward and find someone who's actually interested in meeting you and actually wants to go outside with you and get to know each other. It's simple as that. You should always clarify what you want from her, when you want it, and what exactly you want to do with her, where you want to go and have the date with her, which restaurant, which coffee shop, where you're going to walk by, which part of the city, which time. All of these things. Clarity creates attraction because women cannot actually clarify what they want in their life, but we can. We know every single time what we want, where we see ourselves in the next weeks, in the next months, in the next years. Women don't know that. Women go small steps day by day. They're very focused in what's happening daily. We are very focused on what's happening the next months, the next years, the next weeks. Women love when they see that you know clearly what you want, what you expect from her, and what you want for yourself. They love that. Introduce controlled tension. You don't need conflict, but you do need contrast. So you should always create some tension in the game between you and every woman that you talk to, because women love tension. Tension means emotions. Emotions means attraction. Attraction means we like each other. We're gonna do things together. If there is no tension and you're always there for her, your messages are boring, the way that you stand in front of her is boring, the way that you look at her is boring. If you do all of these things wrong, then there is no point for her to actually move forward with you. Think about it. If someone was doing the same to you, you wouldn't be as interested. But if someone is looking you in the eyes and laughs all the time and says jokes and is like giggling, ha ha ha, you know, touching you, all of these things, that's sexy, right? That's a woman that you want to see again and again and again because this is an interesting person. So the exact same thing is happening from the opposite side. And I'm telling you, women want this way more than what we wanted. They want it 100 times more than what we wanted. So you should always remember that, and you should always create some tension between you and any woman that you talk to, even if she's just your teacher, or if she's just your classmate, or if it's just your friend. Any woman that you talk to, you should create some tension. Play in your daily life, and I promise you one day you will understand the game, because women are looking forward to play with someone, play with their words, play with their bodies, play with dancing, you know. Women want to just be entertained, and we're here to just entertain them. So be interesting. Create an entertaining environment. Being nice feels right. It feels safe, it feels like you're doing everything correctly. But in reality, it's exactly why you're being overlooked. Because in modern dating, the man who tries to be liked is never the man who actually gets chosen from the women. Stop performing for them and start leading your life. Because as long as you lead your life and you know exactly where you're heading to, I promise you, any woman would actually admire you and fall in love with you and wants to be by your side. A woman is looking for a great leader, for someone who has the power and knows exactly what she wants. He doesn't afraid to get it. He loves challenges and he wants to constantly improve his life. That's the guy that you should become. You should always strive for greatness, to upgrade your value, your skills, to always learn something new. Right now, for example, you're watching a video about dating women. Use these skills in your life. Practice them, improve, and I promise you, every single woman that you meet will actually be addicted to you. Women love that. Women want to have a strong man that looks forward and knows exactly what she wants. You know why? She doesn't know what she wants. She's craving a man that actually can guide her to greatness. And you should be that person. Let's go! Start from today. This is the Strategic Man, and my name is Achilles. If you're looking for more dating advice, you found the right channel. click the subscribe button. There is way more videos coming in the future. It's time for you to become a part of this legion. You are here to actually improve your life. You're not here to just click on another YouTube video. All of us, we grow and improve together. We are all one. See you in the next video. Bye.